Your old video.
Yeah, no.
I like the way they chopped it.
Get a real good shot at the back of the t-shirt.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me see.
Look at y'all in matching t-shirts.
That's what I said. I said, and you'll come with matching t-shirts.
Y'all playing this?
They called each other. Are you ready, Kenneth?
You got a lot of elevator up. There you go.
What'd you use, a paint paddle on the back of that?
Yeah. How about that? Is that enough right there?
Yeah, but that left elevator.
It looks pretty good to me.
Well, the other one, look at that. Okay.
They're both down just a hair.
Let me. That's slack. Let me just spool it up, Jamie. So hold it.
Man,
What do you think?
I think it's gonna pull.
Can you hold it over your head under the wing and kind of? What do you think?
Is this one gonna do better than your last one with the?
Travis, you like me filming with a plane?
How about like that?
Look at this plane. This thing's killer.
All right, here we go.
Are you ready for this?
So you're gonna fly both at the same time?
No.
No, he's video.
Oh.
I guess this thing is on, isn't it, Jamie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready? Count the order 45. We'll.
Hey, it worked.
Yep.
Wow.
Gonna come back down?
Thing's gonna climb like crazy.
Do a flip.
Huh? Yeah. I'm down as far as I can go. I got to go in there and adjust it.
You need some more weight in those, don't you?
Oh, uh-oh.
She's just, I have no control.
Oh, no. Are you...
Side of the motor torque.
You might want to torque it up and then roll.
No, that is right there.
Oh yeah, sure.
Oh, it did.
You go, boy.
It did. Yeah, it'll roll.
Serious?
No way.
All right, I'm gonna see if I can't work it up. Yeah, one of them's come loose or something. I don't know.
Oh, you've only got one?
Yeah.
I can see it. Looks like the one on the left's hanging.
Which way were you turning? Left?
Yeah.
Some of this is sliding.
This is going to be a controlled crash here.
Uh-oh. What's your pond?
The good thing about having no foot.
Here I come. Coming in.
With one aileron.
The funny thing is, Dad is like, do you have a rudder? I don't need a rudder.
Oh, they don't run. Huh?